Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today we've got a really exciting barn find straight out of Sanford, Florida. A true American muscle car with a lot of potential. This is a 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS, and it's listed for just $6,200 or best offer. This car was recently pulled out of a garage where it had been sitting untouched for 15 years. That's right, 15 years off the road. Now it's definitely a project, but for the right person, this could be an amazing investment. The 1970 Nova SS is part of the third generation of the Chevy Nova, and it's one of the most sought-after years, especially with the Super Sport package. Back in the day, you could order it with anything from a small block 350 to a big block 396. The SS trim added serious muscle with upgraded suspension, better brakes, and that unmistakable aggressive look. Now, full disclosure, the engine in this one is not original, and it comes without keys. But the good news? It has a clean Florida title and has already been paid off. That saves you a big chunk of paperwork and red tape. It's finished in blue on blue, both the exterior and interior. And even though it's rough around the edges, imagine how stunning this car could look after a full restoration. Blue was a popular factory color for the Nova in 1970. And with a little vision, this one could really shine. Now let's talk numbers. Is restoring this car worth it? Well, fully restored 1970 Nova SS models can sell for anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000, depending on originality and condition. So if you've got the skills, or you're willing to invest in the right shop, there's definitely room for profit here. And beyond just the dollars, you'd be bringing a classic piece of American muscle back to life. That's value you can't always measure. This could be your next weekend project, a future show car, or even a cruiser that turns heads everywhere you go. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into a rewarding build, this Nova might just be calling your name. Check the description below for the Craigslist link and more details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car finds every week. Apakah Anda ingin saya mengadaptasi teks ini ke dalam gaya narasi tertentu atau mengubah formatnya?